If this had a waterproof case, I'd stick it out the window for a sec.
Yeah, no case yet. Just got it yesterday. Insane. It's like a freaking typhoon in there.
But yeah, I knew it was going to be canceled before we left.
Yeah, me too. I didn't want to go. We shouldn't have gone.
So, I told you so's are to be served.
Are in order, yes.
Yes.
Not to us, because we knew better. Alright, let's try to float home.
Indeed. If we ever get out of this fucking traffic.